Here's a creek bridge that my wife designed. We had leftover chain from a different project and we found scrap wood on the side of the road and then posts from an old playground. And we had just put this up the other day. We use this to make it easier to cross the creek. We're in the middle of a drought right now, so the water's pretty low, but it actually does get up very high. The water levels actually gets up high enough to, this whole log used to be where this bridge is, so it gets up high enough and strong enough to move quite a bit of weight. I'll show you the details here. We put these posts in 18 inches in the ground and filled it with half a bag of post cement, post set concrete, and then we just use some creek water, a gallon of creek water per post. That's essentially what the instructions called for. And then the chain, I think, is 5/16 chain. And you can see we left a little bit on the end in case we have to tighten it in the future. And they're set in place with just these pins. So if for some reason it does end up sagging, we'll just unearth the chain there. And this has yet to be buried. I just wanted to show you. And we'll just dig this in a hole underground. But we just hook it up to the tractor and pull it taut. The boards are held on to the chain with 1/4 inch bolts, 1/4 inch galvanized bolts. I can show those to you. Down here, this is, let's see if I can show you. This is all we did. We just bolted them right onto the chain. But that's it. Thanks for watching.
And now he's living the life of Riley.